You don't care about getting hurt. But you know how I'll feel? I'll be devastated. And if you die, I will literally go out of my freaking mind.
You lift my heart up when the rest of me is down. You enchant me even when you're not around.
Lydia, I've had a crush on you since the 3rd grade. And I know that somewhere inside that cold, lifeless exterior, there's an actual human soul.
I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found. I feel we're close enough. Could I lack in your love? I feel we're close enough.
Because I think you look really beautiful when you cry.
But it's not just someone to hold you onto. It needs to be someone who can pull you back. Someone that has a strong connection to you.
I've got you in my space. I won't let go of you. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching on to you. I'm so encaptured, got me wrapped up in your touch. Feel so enamored, hold me tight within your clutch. How do you do it? Got me losing every breath.
You're the one who always figures it out.
Why did you give me to make my heart beat out my chest? I feel we're close enough. Could I lock in your love? I feel we're close enough. Could I lock in your love?